Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Genevieve Valenzuela. I'm 33 years old and I'm currently here in the Philippines. I'm married for 14 years and I have 3 kids. I'm college graduate. My work experience here in the Philippines as a household helper, I serve couple and their 3 kids from 3 years from 2021 to 2024. My duties them are taking a babies and doing household chores. My duties and responsibilities in taking care of the babies and kids are feeding them on time, changing diaper, taking a bath, fostering their development, and ensuring their safety in all aspects. I can do Filipino food, I can manage marketing, laundry, doing chores, and ensuring your house clean and tidy. Ma'am, sir, please do hire me because I'm responsible person, trustworthy, hardworking, patience, and flexible, reliable, and I can do multitasking tasks. I'll promise to follow your rules in your house and I'll promise to love and protect your kids and treat them as my own kids. That's all. Thank you and have a good day.